requirement daw, isipin nyo, 7 buwan bago natapos at nakipagbunuan ulit September 23. So, ibig ko sabihin, it can be done. It can be done. If we are determined to make a change in the budget, it can be done. The Anti-Agricultural Economic Sabotage Act suffered the same fate. I know that Senator Villar had a long purgatory of waiting, constantly renegotiating, and meeting with the BICAM, with the congressman, and with the executive to finally come out from 11 December 2023 to 30 September 2024. Halos ang taon yun eh. Tagal eh.
Ma'am, do you have plan to personally talk to PBBM para sabihin niyo yung mga...
Well, alam ko naman, kilala ko naman ng kapatid ko, ang instinct niyan, wag makialam. Ayaw niya nang hihimasok, nang gugulo. Pero para sa akin, wag naman